Welcome back to the Hollis Favorite Garden. Many blessings to you all. This week, we're at the Green Thumbers. We're not at Wallace. We're at Green Thumbers this week. And it looks like they only have strawberries. No, they don't only have strawberries. They have strawberries now. I think they have herbs also over there. We'll keep looking. But look at this. It's so beautiful. Theirs isn't in a greenhouse, but it has the shade cloth and all the beauty. They have your perennials, your trees are back in the back. We may go back there, we may not. But these are what I came for. I love these with the pink flowers. Let's see, Papa Jules. Doesn't say what kind, but they want. Ooh. Ooh. This is expensive. I don't want that many because I want to put them in my green stock, but I want them. But I don't want to pay that much for that. Not for those. I want those, but I will not be getting them because I don't want to pay that much for that. There's 25. I'm thinking those are the same ones over here. If I can capture the name of it. Let's see. Strawberry Berries Hills. No. No. Toscana Rose. No. I don't see the name. Let's see, guys. We're looking, and I just thought I would bring you guys along with us. Ooh, look at that. Nice.
And that one's gonna grow into a big one. That's not that one.
It is.
Yeah, but
Excuse
when
me.
it blows, then we can see it.
Let's see.
Red flowers. Red flowers.
I believe it's the same one from the last time that had the pink flowers. It's everbearing. I don't know, guys. Look at these with strawberries already on them. How cool. Look at that. How cool, but we don't want those to have the strawberries on. I think these are those, but I just don't want to get the wrong one. Yeah, those are June bearing right here. But I want everbearing. I want to pay $5 for one plant. I don't know. I think I'm going to wait till later in the season. I think I will. And I'll have to find me some. Give me your hand. Come on. Let's look at the herbs. They have the basil. Do they have lemon thyme? You know what? It does not. Oh, okay, there they are. I was going to say it doesn't look like they have those other pots out, but they do. They're on the other side. No. Okay, wait, yeah. So the strawberries that are there that are everbearing in the smaller pots, are those the ones that have the pink flowers also, or is it just the ones in the bigger container?
I believe just the ones in the bigger containers.
You guys had the small ones last time. All right, well, thank you.
Uh-huh.
And do you have lemon thyme?
If we do, it's going to be right along here.
Okay.
I don't recall seeing it, but
Okay.
might.
All right.
It's still on the rack out here.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
Okay, so, yeah. Comparing. I think I like Wallace better. But let's see. Let's look at the rest of their stuff because They have they're supposed to have a sale this weekend for, what do you call it? They're supposed to have a sale this weekend on their smaller variety. Oh no, these aren't there. Okay. Up there on the rack? Awesome. Thank you.
We go that way?
Okay, yeah, because I want these over here.
Welcome to our place.
Yeah.
Welcome to
It's beautiful. And I mean,
Yeah,
you know,
these are red.
we're going to go on the other side over there, guys. What's that? Lemon balm.
Oh, these are pretty. Yeah, so cool.
The basil right there.
Let's go now. Let's go
Come on.
now.
Let's go this way. Yes, because these are the ones that are on sale. These are, oh, these look terrible.
This is my flower.
So they have a 4-pack for $2.59.
I have a flower.
Oh, nice.
I want to pick a flower.
But these do not look. These don't look that great. Look at these. Oh my goodness. The ones in the back are fine, I guess. You have a flower.
Yeah.
Ooh, don't pull all of those off, okay? Okay. So we have okra. I mean, why do these look like that?
Look, there's a star right there. Wow.
Why do these look like this? Anyway, I won't talk about them too bad, but goodness. Guys, come on. Maria, come over here. Did you give her one of yours that you have in your hand? Okay, so we'll get some Swiss chard. And guys, what I'm doing today is picking up my mom some veggies, and I'm going to give her a vertical garden.
Ooh, that smells good.
I'm going to set her up with a vertical garden. So she can have some things growing also. But some of this, I guess I should have went to Wallace. Goodness. Oh, hold on, guys. Oh. Okay, so we'll get a rainbow Swiss chard. Let's put that in there. Rhea wants a flower. Yeah. We'll get a lettuce from somewhere.
Lettuce?
Yeah. We'll grab a lettuce from, let's see, what's this one? I don't want the butter crunch. What's this one? This is, Lord. Ooh, we'll get these. I think I'll get these for myself because I wanted some. These are the Red Giant mustard. Can you see that? Hey, sorry. Red Giant mustard green. These look bad. Don't they? It's like they're more focused on the flowers, I guess. Okay, let's see. What is this one? Butter crunch. Rain, is this on my arm?
No.
Can you rub it though? Anyway. Thank you. There is a romaine that is all the way back there. Can you give me this? On my arm short. That back there. Right there. I think that's a romaine. Yep. Quit playing.
Smells like basil.
Oh.
You want that one?
I don't want that one. It's all the way dead. Gee. What in the world is going on here? Y'all gotta do better than this. Oh wow. I'll take this one. We'll bring that one back to life, I guess. Huh? I guess they say we're gonna focus on our flowers because their flowers look beautiful, but their veggies, uh, not so much. Okay, what's this one? Collards. We'll get her some collards. These are Georgia collards. I already have some growing, so I don't need any of these. And there's 4 in each container, which is good.